Alright, so this is going to be a quick video. I'm going to show you guys how z-index works. Okay, z-index. Alright, so here I have brackets open. I have a web page in brackets. I have a CSS page that's connected. And I have the preview window open. The web page is pretty simple. The only thing inside the body are two images, King Kong and Godzilla. King Kong has an ID, and so does Godzilla. Alright, the property I'm going to show you guys, or teach you about today, is called z-index. So z-index, the possible values are numbers. They could be positive numbers or negative numbers. And whichever element with the higher z-index number, whichever one has the higher z-index number will be on top of all the other numbers. I mean, all the other elements. Alright, so let's see. Right now I have selected all the images and given them a height so they're the right height. And so now to do a couple things. First, I want to position them. So I'm going to use position. I'm going to use fixed. As soon as I change it to fixed, you notice how they go on top of each other because they're snatched out of normal flow. And then I want to stick them on the bottom. So I will go bottom. There. So now they're 10 pixels up from the bottom. Down there. Okay. Great. And you notice right now Godzilla is on top of King Kong. So that's just one's got to be on top of the other by default. That's just how it worked out. So now I'm going to style King Kong and Godzilla. First, I'm going to give King Kong as the index of 50, whatever number I want. Notice now that I gave him that number, he's above Godzilla. As long as he had any z-index, here's 1, he's above Godzilla. What about 0? Ah, Godzilla's on top. -1, Godzilla's on top. Okay, 1. Alright, so here we go. Godzilla doesn't have a z-index yet, so as long as we give Kong any z-index, he'll be on top. And then we're going to do Godzilla. Now, they both have the same z-index of 1, but one's got to be on top, so it's Godzilla. And if we look up here, I don't know why Kong is the first one it sees. It really doesn't. Who knows how they pick which one's on top. Anyway, so let's put Kong back on top. We'll give him a higher number. And then we'll make this higher so he gets back on top. Alright. It looks better like this, I think. Alright, and so that's how z-index works. The higher numbers on top. And just for fun, I'm going to position these. This one's going to be 50 pixels from the left. And this one will be 50 pixels from the right. Oops. So they're across from each other. And then just... Alright. Anyway, that's enough of that.